All right, welcome back to the channel. So today's call is a little different. You can see that's my customer's vehicle right there, and they are partially blocking the lane. So I'm not unaccustomed to working in a live lane of traffic, but I've never ever done a lockout in a live lane of traffic. That's a little unusual. So I go ahead and turn around and then pull in behind them, and I take the whole lane just to create a safe work zone in front of my vehicle, so I have some space to work. And the call came in as both a lockout and a jump start, and so I guess what happened was the customer locked themselves out with the hazard lights on, and even though it only took me about 35 minutes to get to this call, the battery was dead. So I grab my jump box and make contact with the customer, place the jump box in front of the vehicle, and then go back to the back of my truck to retrieve my lockout tools. So I get my before photos of the area around the door, and then I use masking tape. So I put that on the vehicle, and usually I do like 2 layers if it's painted metal, and then 3 if it's like if there's any plastic trim, because the plastic is pretty susceptible to damage. So then I grab my airbag and start pumping that up. Then I walk around the vehicle to get a good look at the locking mechanism. And typically there's 3 options. You can go for the latch, you can try and pull the handle, which will often unlock the door, or you can push on the button. But of course in this case I can't push on the button because the battery's dead. So I insert my tool and basically mess around with that for a couple minutes, and then get the vehicle unlocked, and the customer reaches in to pop the hood. So I'll go ahead and open up the hood and start connecting my jump box. And some of the traffic, man, like they don't slow down at all for amber lights. So anyway, you can see as soon as the jump box is turned on, the hazard lights come back on, and then the customer hops in and starts the vehicle. Another pretty fast vehicle there. So then it's just a matter of closing out the call. So I get my photo of the odometer. And get a photo of the VIN sticker in the door. I already got a photo of the license plate on the front of the vehicle, and then a signature from the customer. And then I grab my stuff and head to the next call. And so for me, this is a 2 for 1. So I get paid twice, basically, once for the lockout and once for the jump start. And total time on scene was 8 minutes. So customer takes off, and then I head to the next call. And yeah, so that turned out well. Well, hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.